welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to be showing you some vegan cinnamon buns. Now, I have a love for cinnamon buns. I used to eat cinnamon buns like all the time. I grew up eating honey buns and and all kind of stuff. I like the one without the icing, you know, the one that comes in like the Hostess or whatever. When I was young, that's what I grew up eating. So, and then later on, you know, when I got to an adult, when I, you know, be shopping in the mall and stuff like that, I saw this other cinnamon bun spot. But of course, being that I've been a vegan now since 2015, I can't eat there anymore. I think it's called Cinnamon Bun. Yeah, I know y'all know the spot. It's called Cinnamon Bun, and that's all they sell is cinnamon buns. And I think their cinnamon buns probably got eggs or milk or something. It's not vegan, I know that. So I was like, okay, where can I get some cinnamon buns from? And I've been online, and you know, last year I was on Vegan Essentials, and I saw some a brand that had sold some frozen cinnamon buns, and I didn't know how that was going to turn out. So I was like, you know, I was skeptical and I didn't buy it. But then earlier this year in March, I decided to give it a try, and I ordered it. So yeah, it turned out great. It's called the brand is called Immaculate. So yeah, I ordered that back in March of this year, 2021. And then later on, a few months later, I found it inside of Whole Foods. So yeah, it's good. It comes raw, and it's not frozen. I said frozen. No, it's cold. It's not frozen though. It comes raw, and then you bake it. It only takes about 18-20 minutes. It has icing and everything else. So let me take it out. It's freshly baked. I didn't want it to be like cold, so you know, you just get a good idea of what it looks like fresh. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put some icing on there right now. Ooh, this smells so good. It's so Oh yeah, it comes with a pack of icing. Sprinkle some on there while it's nice and hot. Drizzle, drizzle. Okay, I'm not. This may not look so great, but it's gonna taste good. I'm not a drizzle expert, so don't mind the way it looks. Alright, it's on there. I'm gonna save the rest. Yeah, take a look at it. Bam! Vegan cinnamon buns. Let me zoom in on that real quick. Woo-hoo! Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna enjoy that. Alright, here's the ingredients right here. Zoom in. It's clarity. And yeah, so yeah, we vegans can get our snack on. Vegan style, veganized. Everything that you like is available mostly in vegan. Alright, so save the animals, save your health, save the earth. Have a good day. Bye. Mwah.